My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, we're working on getting this V8 engine into this go-kart. Welcome back. We're still working on the V8 go-kart. Last time we got these bars welded in. They're shoved into the frame rails up to about here. We plug welded them to hold them in, and these are kind of like supports. We're going to step up to a nice thick tube like this, but the only problem is we need to take up some of this gap. So I got some black pipe from the store. It's going to slide over there. It's a little loose, but it's not too bad. Good enough, I think. And it should fit inside of this after I grind it down a little bit. So that's the plan. We're going to work on that. I'm going to start cleaning this up so it fits in there. And then we're going to plug weld this onto here. And then this will go over top. That's kind of the plan. Let's see how far we get today. And let's just get cranking on it now that I know what I'm doing. So let me show you what we're working with. Remember, pipe threads are tapered. So it starts sliding in there and it stops. This OD is pretty close to this ID. There is a seam that's welded across this. So it's a little high on the seam on the inside of this. Instead of trying to deburr that seam all the way down 12 inches, I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm just gonna grind a flat spot across one top. I can probably use, there should be like a seam line on here. I think there's one right here. You won't be able to see it on camera, but I can follow that down and grind that down a little bit extra. I think then it'll kind of notch into there, and hopefully overall we'll have to take less material off of here. After we get it fitting in here, we'll drill some holes through it, kind of like we did over here. We'll plug weld it, and then we'll throw some welds where these two meet up to join them together. And then this will kind of go over top everything. And I think that's going to be super strong. It's a little ghetto. It's not exactly what I would do if I had unlimited funds and materials and tools and all that. But I think it's going to get the job done. It's going to be really strong back here, and I think it's going to work. So let's start working on that and see where we get tonight. So I ground this down, and then I drilled holes along it and along the bottom so I could plug weld it. I'm gonna also weld in between, so hopefully it'll get the pipe in between and bridge the gap and kind of tie everything together. And then this pipe will fit over top. I do need to be careful. Watch, I'm gonna screw this up later in the video, but I ground a flat spot in the pipe here. So I have it on top. I just need to be aware of that when I cut this, because it's gonna slide over, and then the pipe's gonna get cut in half about here and go over the top, and we'll be able to weld the top half of the pipe on this part. And I think that'll be pretty darn strong, but I just need to be careful of that seam, otherwise I'm gonna be upset. So let's get to cutting, welding, grinding, all that good stuff. We got it all burned in. It's still screaming hot. I'm gonna knock all these welds down so that the pipe will slide over, and then we'll get to fitting that up. All right, I got all the welds ground down. Now this pipe fits over. I won't put it on all the way, it's a little tight, but you get the point, it slides over. So we're gonna cut this to length, and then we're gonna notch it, because only half of it's gonna go over this front half. So let me do all that, and then We'll drill some holes through it and we'll jam it on here. Hopefully this makes sense now that I cut it out. So I cut it, I guess, a little more than half. And it's gonna kind of sit like this because this mounts here and everything. So it won't go all the way on. But it's gonna slide up and over, kind of like that. We'll keep sliding it. It'll go around that mount, and then we can weld all around the edges. I'll drill some holes through it so we can plug weld it, and that'll be pretty strong on there once I get it welded up. I got the holes drilled. I'm gonna put a couple plug welds, and then I'm gonna weld the front all around like that. And I think that'll be plenty strong. That tube is pretty thick, so I think that'll be really beefy. So let me try and hammer it on and burn it in. I got this one burned in a little bit. I still got to do some more. I'm letting it cool off a little. I don't want to throw too much heat at it all at once. So I got it in there. I got this one set up. So I'm going to throw some welds on this one, and then I'll hop back over here, weld this one a little bit. Just kind of bounce back and forth so I'm not throwing a lot of heat at that and bending it or doing something weird. All right, that's all I got in me for tonight. I'm hot, dirty, sweaty. We're gonna keep cranking on this thing. I'm making a video every single day. I want Cleetus to invite me to the Freedom Factory to do donuts in this thing. So if you support that, like, comment, subscribe, help me grow the channel and help me make that happen. I'm gonna keep working on this thing every day until we get somewhere with it. So tune in tomorrow and we'll work on this thing some more.